Yes, hello children, welcome back to our class. Yes, so in our last class we have finished about verbs, right? Yes, in the last class, yes, we have finished about verbs. There are three different types of verbs we can see here. One is the word which has ed at the end of it. Yes, the other is in this form: eat, ate, drink, drunk. And the one more is the same word. We get the same word as verb in the past also, simple past, right? And also we have seen few simple past tenses of few words like see, saw, come, came, sleep, slept, draw, drew. Yes or no? And we have seen pulses and vegetables. So here we have grammar part, page number 63. Page number 63, grammar part. See here. Read the following sentences. Someone has stolen my beautiful tomato. I am going to take my chickens to the district exhibition. Why don't you take your big tomato to the exhibition? How did my tomato get here? Yes, there are four sentences. And few words are underlined in these four sentences. What are they? What is underlined in the first sentence? Has is underlined, right? Next, second one, am. Third, do. Fourth, did. See here. The words has, am, do, did in these sentences are not main verbs. What are verbs actually? Verbs are action words, right? Yes, which shows the action happened in the past. Here we have seen that. Which shows the action. Okay, verb is an acting word. Action, which shows the action. So here, these underlined words are not main verbs. Okay, they support the main verbs. So these underlined words are not main verbs. They just support the main verbs: stolen, going, take, and get. Here we have verbs actually. What is verb here? See, in this line, stolen is verb, take is verb. Okay, take, going, get, they are main verbs. Okay, so the words which are underlined are just helping verbs. Okay, helping verbs. Yes, so the underlined words are helping words. See here. First we'll read. See, the words has, am, do, did in these sentences are not main verbs. They are not main verbs. They support the main verbs: stolen, going, take, and get, that follow them. Okay, you got it right? So here we have already verbs, main verbs. But the underlined words are not main verbs. These underlined words helps the main verbs. Okay, yes, these are called helping words or auxiliary verbs. So the underlined words, these kind of verbs are known as what? Helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Okay, helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Okay, the verbs which support the main verbs are called helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. The auxiliary verb do and its other forms does, did, and done appear only in questions and negative sentences. So what is he saying? The auxiliary verb do is an auxiliary verb, right? But we can get some other forms of do also. See here, does, did, and done. Okay, these words are used in questioning, okay, or in negative sentences. Yes or no? Like, see, do you know? Yes, we use do. It is a question, so we use do. Then this. Yes, here does. Does he go to work? Yes, they are questioning words, right? Yes, so, but sometimes the words like do, be, Like in B, we have these forms: is, am, are, was, were may appear in sentences as main verbs as well. So here he is saying the auxiliary verb do and its other forms. See, do have some forms. What are they? Does, did, and done. These words appear only in questions and negative sentences, okay? But sometimes the words like do, in the sense is, am, are, was, were, these forms appear in sentences as main verbs as well. We are saying these underlined words are helping verbs, right? But in some cases these forms comes as main verbs, okay? This is, am, are, was, were, these words come as main verbs. See here examples: you are lazy, you are lazy. So here are is a main verb, okay? Rajesh is a boy. Here is a main verb. I did it. Did. Yes or no? Did. She does something useful every day. Does. Radha has done her homework. Done. I am a singer. Am. They were very hungry. Were. So here these words are in these sentences. These words are main verbs because we don't have verbs here. In this type of sentences, these words are main verbs. Okay. Yes. In this type of sentences, these are helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. Okay. Because we have already verbs in this. See here, stolen. It is main verb which has is helping the main verb. So has is an auxiliary verb, helping verb. Okay. But in this type of sentences, there are no main verbs. The helping verbs are main verbs here. I hope you understand it. Yes. So here, see this. Read the following sentences and underline auxiliaries. What are auxiliaries, children? What are auxiliary words? The words which helps the main verbs are called auxiliary verbs. Yes or no? Yes. So here we have to underline the auxiliary verbs. Here, I am working as a teacher. What is auxiliary verb here? Working is a main verb here. Yes or no? Working, working. It is a main verb. So the word which is helping this main verb is a auxiliary verb. So here am is a auxiliary verb. So underline am. Next, second one. He is a player. He is playing cricket. Yes. So auxiliary verb is what? Is. Yes or no? Playing is main verb. So is helping main verb. So is auxiliary verb. Next, Aruna is a doctor. She is wearing a white coat. Same here. Wearing is a verb, main verb, and is helping main verb. So is auxiliary verb. Next, Raju is a writer. He is writing a story. So is again, writing is verb, main verb. Is helping writing, main verb. So is auxiliary verb. Raghu was doing his homework when his family came. So here doing is main verb. The word which is helping main verb is auxiliary verb. So was. Okay. We were writing our exam at 2 p.m. yesterday. Writing is main verb and the word which is helping main verb is were. So were is auxiliary verb. Easy, children. If you listen it interestingly, then you can get it interestingly. Okay. It has rained in the morning. Rain, it is verb, and has is helping the main verb. So has is auxiliary verb. Underline it. Next, I have completed my breakfast. Completed is main verb, and the verb which is helping main verb is have. So have is auxiliary verb. Got my point? I hope. So here the words which helps the main verbs, which supports the main verbs are helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Okay, what are auxiliary verbs? The verbs which helps the main verbs or support the main verbs are called helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Okay? Yes. Yes, so turn the page now. Page number 64. 64. See here. Complete the following sentences using the choices given below. First one. We have choices and we have to pick out the correct answer in it and we have to write in it. Okay? The exhibition dash packed with audience. The exhibition dash packed with audience. Am, is, are. What is the correct answer? Yes. Is. Yes or no? The exhibition is. You know where is and are used? Yes, is used for singulars, are is used for plurals. Okay? Yes, she is a singular word. So we get she is writing. Are, they is a plural word, right? So they are writing. Getting my point, right? Yes, singular, for singular words we use is, for plural words we use are. Okay, here exhibition, it is a singular word, it is not exhibitions, it is exhibition. So singular word we use is. The exhibition is packed with audience. Next, I dash suffering from fever. Here in this type of words we can't use is or am. Are. I is, it is a wrong form. I are, it is a wrong form. So we get I am. Okay, we get what? I am. For I we get I am. And I am suffering from fever. Okay, I am suffering from fever. Yes, so the third one you see, the cattle dash grazing in the field. What we get? Am, is, are. What we get? What is cattle actually? Cattle in the sense a group of animals which includes a cow, buffalo, yes or no, ox. They all comes under cattle. So cattle is a plural word. So we get are. Okay, the cattle are grazing in the field. So the cattle are grazing in the field. Okay. Next, we dash watching TV now. We, it is plural, so we get yes, are. We are watching TV now. Are. Okay. Next, the trees dash created a beautiful scene. The trees dash created a beautiful scene. What we get? Has, have, are. Tell me. Yes, see here, is and are. See here, are. We told that for plural words we use are. So trees we can use are, but we have to see the whole sentence. See here, are is used in front of ing forms, ing words. Okay, okay. We are watching. Here the trees are. It is not ing form. It is created. Okay, it is simple past. So we get have. Okay, have. Again here, have is used in front of, have is used for plural things, has is used for singular thing. If here it is a tree, then we have to use has. Here we have trees, so we have to use have. Okay, so here the trees have created. Okay, if here in the place of created, if we have creating, then we can use are here. Okay, got it right? Yes, if there is ing form, ing form, we get are. Here also see, wherever we used are, here there is ing form, ing. If here it was an ing, then we can use are. But here it is created, it is simple present tense. Simple past tense. So we get have. Okay. Here for plural we use have, for singular we use have. Got it right? So the exhibition is packed, is, I am, the cattle are grazing, we are watching TV now, the trees have created a beautiful scene. So here is, am, are and have. What are these words? Helping or main? Helping or main? They are helping verbs. How? See, we already have verbs here. Packed is a verb, suffering is a verb, grazing, watching, created, these are all verbs, main verbs. The verbs which helps the main verbs are auxiliary verbs. They are auxiliary verbs, helping verbs. Okay, these are main verbs. Got it? Yes. Next, writing. You see, writing. Lalita wrote a letter to her friend Usha about how she got a blue ribbon. Read the letter. See here. Lalita, we all know Lalita got first prize for her big tomato. So she wrote a letter to her friend Usha. Okay, on which date? 31st 8 2019. Hi Usha, I was really surprised the other day when I went to the agri-based exhibition at our place. I was called to receive the best prize for growing a big tomato. You know, my big tomato was judged without my knowledge. I learned later that my father had taken my big tomato to the exhibition. Here, Lalita is writing a letter to her friend. Who is her friend? Usha. He is telling about the thing what has happened. Okay, she was surprised on the day when she went to agri-based exhibition. There, she wanted to take her big tomato to the exhibition, but the tomato was stolen by someone. She thought that, right? And then at the end, without her knowledge, her tomato was exhibited in the exhibition. Later, her father had taken that big tomato to the. Yes, next, see here. How are the things at home? Convey my regards to uncle and aunt. So she told about the story what had happened, and then at the end, how are the things at home? She's asking about the things at whose home? Usha's home. Then convey my regards to uncle and aunt. You know what is convey my regards to uncle? You know, namaste, hi, hello. Yes. Tell to uncle and aunt. Yes. You know what convey my regards in the sense? And Telugu regards na abhinandanalu తెలియజేయండి. It means say hi and hello that I asked. నేను అడిగినా అని చెప్పండి. We will listen that sentences, right? When you go to our parents or our grandparents' houses or somewhere. Yes. That's convey my regards. Okay. Yes. So here at the end, what she wrote, with love, Lalli. So here, imagine you are Usha. Imagine you as Usha. Write a letter to Lalita asking her to tell you the secret of growing a prize-winning tomato. So here Lalita wrote Lalita wrote a letter to Usha, right? So here we have to think ourselves as Usha, and we have to write the letter to Lali. Why? For asking her to tell about the secret of growing a prize-winning tomato. Will you write? Or should I write? Say me. How can you say? You can't say, but should I give you as a homework or something, or should I write? Okay, I'll write. See. So, okay. What's the date? Write the date here, okay? Date. Write the date whenever you are writing it. On which date you are writing this, on which date you are watching this, that date you write. Okay, I'm not writing the date here, I'm leaving it for you. Write here, write the date. Okay, first here Lalita is writing to Usha, so she said hi Usha. Here we are Usha now, so what you have to say? Hello Lalli. Yes, hello Lalli. Lalli is a nickname. You call your friends by their nickname, right? Yes, in the same way here, Usha is calling her friend by her nickname. Think that. Hello Lalli, comma. First, she got a first prize, right? So what we have to do? We have to congratulate Lalli. First, what we have to write? Congratulations Congratulations. 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 Right, congratulations for receiving the the best prize prize for growing growing a big tomato, for growing a big tomato. Right, congratulations for receiving the best prize for growing a big tomato. Next, we have to ask her the secret of growing a prize winning tomato, right? So, please share the secrets for secrets of growing a prize winning tomato. Here we have to congratulate her. Yes or no? We are congratulating her, and we are asking about the secret of growing a prize winning tomato. Then what we have to have? She asked how are the things at home, no? So we have to write all are fine at home. All are fine at home. Next, convey my regards to uncle and aunt. Yes or no? Same thing. Right, convey my regards to UNCLE uncle. Am I going speed? I'm sorry. Okay, see right. Congratulations for receiving the best prize for growing a big tomato. Please share the secrets of growing a prize-winning tomato. And then all are fine at home. Convey my regards to uncle and AUNT aunt. Enough. At the end, with love, Usha. With love, Usha. Finished. Write the date whenever you are writing this, okay? I left it for you. Children, if I wrote speedily, I think so. Please pause it and you can continue it, okay? Please pause it and write. Okay? Here it is raining. Lightning also. Pause it and you can write, okay? Yes. Okay children, we'll go for the next topic in the next class, okay? Yes.